Hello, Sagot ang Musika. My name is Alison Joyce Agustin from Napusan, Domingo, Ilocos Sur. And this is my final entry for Bumibirit Online Pasalit. Every lonely moment I get these glimpses of you that fill my heart with endorphins and aches that never stopped when it grew. See you soon, but soon may enough. Don't you return when I'm down, brings me up. Every night you're in my dreams with the hope I'll wake up, you are next to me. And your promise stays with me, that your love is stronger than any pain. And this flame will last through anything. Oh, the joy you bring shows me you'll never change. And all the courage I've embraced is from the sweetness of all the things you say. Not an open book for most, you turn each page. How could I ask for more? But the same energy when you're off the plane. Even though we can't see one another, 'cause you long gone and away. The XO in your letters feel real to me, and I know when you get mine, you'll feel the same. This distance could break others up, but a trust is stronger than glue. And so to keep my heart patient, I'll just keep dreaming.